You're watching KPIX 5 News at 6.
Today, we insist that S&P accept responsibility for its role in the crisis and for its conduct.
Now at 6:30, the multi-billion-dollar lawsuit that could help California state retirement funds. California joined the federal government today in suing Standard & Poor's. The debt rating agency gave mortgage-backed securities high ratings. But the U.S. and California's attorneys general say S&P knew that the investments were no good. For the first time, Attorney General Eric Holder is pointing blame at a Wall Street firm for helping spark the financial collapse. The government says ratings agency Standard & Poor's advised investors to buy mortgage investments it knew were risky.
This alleged conduct is egregious, and it goes to the very heart of the recent financial crisis.
California lost almost $1 billion attributable to S&P's conduct.
Big banks packaged their mortgages into securities. S&P gave those securities high ratings, signaling to investors that they were a safe bet. But the government says it has evidence S&P knew the investments were in trouble, but approved them anyway to get more business from the banks.
It's sort of like buying sausage from your favorite butcher. And he assures you that the sausage was made fresh that morning and is safe. What he doesn't tell you is that it was made with meat he knows is rotten.
When the housing bubble burst, the securities lost their value, triggering the 2008 economic collapse. The government's lawsuit calls for Standard & Poor's parent company to pay $5 billion in penalties. But the agency claims the lawsuit is unjustified.
Well, the government is claiming that the analysts and their superiors at the Standard & Poor's didn't believe their ratings. They did.
The government's lawsuit comes after years of pressure from the public to hold Wall Street accountable for the recession.
S&P called itself a gatekeeper, but acted more like a toll collector.
Well, Kamala Harris says CalPERS and CalSTRS lost $1 billion because of Standard & Poor's conduct. The recovery could be much bigger. California law allows for damages 3 times that amount if the lawsuit is successful.